Hi, this is Jeffrey Kerr at Kerr Financial Group. Today is Tuesday, March 5, 2024. And today I wanted to follow up on something I touched upon yesterday, and specifically Apple. A lot of people own it, thinking about buying it, and it's really a darling. And this is not a recommendation to buy or sell or hold, but just like a few things I think are important to think about as you work through the decision, concerning Apple. Number one, it's been a bad performer here in 2024. Here's a chart showing, the three that I mentioned yesterday, but that might be getting voted off the island, the Magnificent Seven island, and Google, Tesla, and Apple. Tesla's got its own problems, and we'll get into that list right today. But Apple, being down on the year, and getting voted off the island can be pretty important if they, I think it's a signal that there's less flows going into that, and I'm going to get to that in a second. One of the reasons why I think, but when you look at Apple, it is a great company. Bulletproof balance sheet, making money, innovation, and it's the second largest stock in the U.S. market by measured by capitalization. However, a couple of things that are working against some headwinds here. Last Friday, Goldman Sachs took Apple off its conviction list. The list is the best ideas from the research department, and so Apple's now off, and that potentially could mean less institutional flows. When the institution looking to add ideas or to buy things, the conviction list may influence them. If it's not on there, well, maybe it doesn't, that money flows elsewhere. Secondly, is also, Apple has guided and forecast sales going to be flat for a while. And, last night, the iPhone sales in China, the data came out, were down 24%. So again, this, those other side of the trade, my guess would be, that still gets flows because it's the second largest company, in the U.S. market. But also, there's, I think that the stock may continue to underperform the rest of the areas. So I just want to get those thoughts out to you. Again, not recommending buying, selling, or holding Apple, but just give you some information. Let me know if any questions. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.